Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AGM batteries for RVs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're gearing up for an off-grid adventure or just need reliable power for your RV systems, this list has something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the WOX ABHSL 12-volt 100 amp-hour Life P04 lithium battery. This battery is a solid choice for those seeking versatility, durability, and a long lifespan. With its A+ grade lithium iron phosphate cells, this battery delivers up to 15,000 deep cycles, making it a significant upgrade over traditional lead-acid or AGM options. It's particularly well suited for trolling motors, boats, solar systems, and RVs. The TVS technology offers protection against voltage spikes and surges, ensuring stability and reliability even in less than ideal conditions. Design-wise, the WOX ABHSL battery is compact and lightweight compared to its competitors, making it easy to install and transport. Its dimensions allow it to fit into standard Group 31 battery boxes, and it features automatic overload recognition and recovery for added safety. However, at 20.47 times 15.7 times 14.5 inches, it's slightly bulkier than some of the other batteries on this list, which might be a consideration if space is a premium in your setup. While this battery offers excellent performance, its primary drawback is the lack of starting capability, which means it's not ideal if you need a dual-purpose solution. Additionally, the pricing is not readily available, which may make it harder for some consumers to assess its value. Overall, the WOX ABHSL battery is best for those who prioritize long-term reliability and need a dedicated deep cycle solution. Pros include its high cycle life and robust safety features, while cons include its bulkier size and lack of starting functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Humsiang K 12-volt 100 AMPHA lithium battery. This product is perfect for tech enthusiasts, thanks to its built-in Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to monitor battery stats like voltage and temperature through a user-friendly app. With an impressive 15,000 cycle lifespan, it's a fantastic replacement for traditional lead-acid batteries. The built-in low-temp protection ensures the battery remains safe even in extreme climates, shutting down automatically at temperatures below -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The design of the Humsiang K is compact yet robust, fitting into a Group 24 battery box. Weighing just 23 pounds, it's 35% smaller and 60% lighter than conventional AGM batteries, making it an easy choice for RVers looking to save both space and weight. Additionally, its premium BMS battery management system provides comprehensive protection against overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits, giving you peace of mind during operation. However, while the Bluetooth feature is innovative, the app's range is limited to 15 meters, which might be restrictive for some users. Additionally, this battery is primarily suited for deep cycle use and may not work as a starter battery. If you're looking for a lightweight, tech-forward battery for off-grid applications or RV camping, the Humsiang K is worth considering. Pros include its advanced Bluetooth monitoring and lightweight design, while cons include its limited Bluetooth range and lack of starting capabilities. Taking the third spot on our list is the KGIOO 2-pack 12V 100 amp-hour LiFePO 4 battery. This package offers great value for those looking to power multiple applications. With a lifespan of up to 15,000 cycles, this battery excels in longevity and reliability. It's perfect for RVs, marine vehicles, and solar energy systems. The inclusion of 2 batteries allows for greater flexibility, as you can combine them to meet higher voltage or capacity requirements. In terms of design, the KGIOO batteries are compact and lightweight, weighing only 25 pounds each. They fit into standard Group 31 battery boxes and feature a high energy density of 50.6 watts per liter. The built-in 100 amp BMS provides robust protection against overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Additionally, these batteries are IP65 waterproof, making them suitable for outdoor and marine environments. While the KGIOO offers excellent performance and flexibility, it does require a lithium battery charger for optimal use, which may be an additional cost for some users. Furthermore, it's not designed for starting applications, so it's better suited for deep cycle scenarios. If you're in the market for a reliable, long-lasting battery system, the KGIOO is a fantastic choice. Pros include its high cycle life, lightweight build, and 2-battery package, while cons include the need for a dedicated charger and lack of starting capability. At number 2, we have the GRNOE 12-volt 100 Ah Li-Fe PPO4 battery. This battery is designed for those who need reliable, high-capacity power for their RVs, vans, or marine vehicles. Built with advanced Grade A+ Li-Fe PO4 cells, this battery boasts a lifespan of up to 15,000 cycles, ensuring long-term value. It's also lighter than traditional lead-acid batteries, weighing just 22.5 pounds, which makes it easy to handle and install. The GRNOE battery includes a built-in 100 amp BMS for protection against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential issues. It's also IP65 waterproof, adding an extra layer of durability for outdoor use. One of its standout features is its expandability, allowing you to combine multiple batteries for larger systems up to 48 volts or 20.48 kilowatt hours, making it versatile for a variety of applications. However, it's worth noting that this battery is not suitable for startup applications and requires a 14.6 volts lithium charger for optimal charging. Overall, the GRNOE is a fantastic option for those looking for a lightweight, high-capacity battery with premium safety features. Pros include its long cycle life, lightweight design, and expandability, while cons include its incompatibility with starting applications and the need for a specific charger. Finally, at number 1, we have the Markson Group 31M Marine Battery, which takes the top spot for its dual-purpose functionality and heavy-duty performance. This battery is a true all-rounder, capable of serving as both a starting and deep-cycle battery. With 105 capacity, 825 cold cranking amps (CCA), and a 200-minute reserve capacity, it's ideal for powering RV appliances and starting engines in a wide range of vehicles. The Markson battery is built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for marine and RV environments. Its maintenance-free AGM design ensures durability while eliminating the need to add water or acid. The robust build can handle vibrations and shocks, which is essential for off-road or marine applications. Additionally, the US-based customer support and 24-month warranty add peace of mind for buyers. While this battery is heavier and larger than lithium counterparts, its dual-purpose capability and rugged design make it unbeatable for those who need a versatile, heavy-duty option. Pros include its dual-purpose functionality, high reserve capacity, and robust build quality, while cons include its weight and size compared to lithium alternatives. If you're looking for the best all-around AGM battery for your RV, the Markson Group 31M is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.